Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your authorized net account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the authorized net website and log into your merchant account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account section, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on account settings to proceed. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. You will see an option to enable two-factor authentication. Toggle the setting on and follow the prompts to set up your preferred method of receiving authentication codes, such as via SMS or an authentication app. Step 5. Save changes. After configuring your 2FA method, make sure to save your changes. You may be prompted to verify your setup by entering a code sent to your chosen method. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your authorized net account with two-factor authentication. Remember to keep your authentication method secure and updated.